Hey, what is going on, guys? My name is Wonky, and we're back with some more Batman Arkham Origins. In this episode, I'm going to be trying the new variation of little to no commentary that I've been implementing into the channel. Not sure if you guys necessarily like it, but I'd love to hear your feedback on the little to no commentary. And yeah, as always, I hope you guys enjoy the video, and I hope you guys have a God bless day. Love y'all. Peace.
Excellent. What about Gordon?
No sign of him. He's got no idea anything's going on.
All right. Men be ready to move when I arrive.
Were you able to find the Joker, sir?
Yes, he's in the penthouse.
I see you profited from my advice. Yet again.
Not yet. Getting to him won't be easy. The elevators are down, and the Joker's men are everywhere.
Well, I've no doubt you'll figure a way out there.
When do we get to off the hotel guest?
You gotta keep the guests locked up.
Yeah? Why is that?
Joker's got
It's happening!
you.
Lucky me!
Well, would you look what the bat dragged in? You know you are a little late for supper. Lucky for you, your dear friend Bane just refused to start the meal without you. Apparently, he prefers his dishes served cold.
Get off your ass!
Break his legs. That's all you got? He... This is... Okay.
Please. Don't hurt me.
I won't. I'm here to help.
Okay, please. Please, they've got my friends. Holding them hostage in the overview bar.
Where is that?
The suspended bar, between the towers.
That's 2 hotel employees rescued for you, and... Oh my, I'm still way ahead of the Employees Guild Club. I know it's tempting, you're helping yourself to a gift. They're not for you! There, don't feel left out. I've got a special gift just for you right up here. And it's wrapped in a...
Oh, crap.
Uh-oh, Batman, hurry! Someone's about to get shot! Looks like the one getting shot is you! Oh, a sucker born every minute. Well, this is unfortunate. For you, for me.
We're ready for you! There he is! Just a man! I can't get you, you can't get me, so what are you gonna do? You ain't
Red Ionists find these guys. I'm sure they talk a big game, but put any of them in the old electric chair, and they bawl like little girls. Trust me, I've done the research.
I need to get to the top of this ventilation shaft.
16 granted. Has Black Mask responded yet?
Negative. No word from him since he entered the building.
Son of a bitch, Ionis thinks he can ignore us. What about Gordon?
We got him investigating a meeting out at the abandoned amusement park. But where is Vicky Vale's got wind of this?
Damn it, I'm almost there.
How about you come down here and keep watching? I'll cover your post for a while.
Incredible. Well, they really outdid themselves with this penthouse suite. The bathroom has 3 kinds of soap. I mean, who has time for all that cleaning? I usually just hop into a vat of acid and call it a day.
What is this?
Like what I've done with the place? Oh, I know, it's a bit much. What can I say?
token. I don't believe it.
We're gonna bury you. We got him! We got him!
We got this one.
Just take it! Alright!
Where did I get all of this, you ask? Well, I got a great deal on an out-of-service amusement park. Oh, you should have seen the look on the real estate agent's face when we shook hands on the deal. Technically, that was cheating, but what can I say? I got a soft spot for cheaters. So bravo, Batman! Bravo! Nice try. No way out of there. Guess you'll just have to wait right where you are until I start sending the hotel's guests through. That'll be a scream. You've got all these fancy little toys. That's so jealous. Aren't you resourceful? Now play fair. Don't make me take your little belt away.
Not again. Please.
Now this one I like to call Joker Says. And right now, Joker Says, you're gonna make this poor man scream his head off.
If I try to pull him out, he'll be electrocuted. I'm going to have to play along.
When you were a kid, did you ever try burping the national anthem? I was never any good at it. But this gentleman claims he was. Just for fun. Let's see how well he does while we electrocute him. I think I smell bat brains burning. Now this one's my personal favorite. Reminds me of my childhood. The taste of the kettle corn, the clickety-clack of the ride.
We did it. like me now! This will do damage! Let's put it to... What up? Where's Scott?
Feels like you should be done, doesn't it? You run roughshod through my Christmas attraction, and now you can't even find the door? The sad part is, there is no door. That's right, no one gets out. I'll admit it kills repeat business, but then... You want to know the awful truth? I've only been in Gotham for a few days, and I've already accomplished so much more than you in the... What has it been? 2 years? So, you made it to the end of my little carnival ride. Unfortunately, it was supposed to be dead by now. But if you excuse me while I just go shoot the architect. Come here, you little boss! Please, don't! Ah!
Thought you could hide from us, huh?
Who are you?
I'm here to help.
There are more of them. They have my co-workers. They're forcing them.
Don't worry. I'll get to them before anything happens.
Okay. Hurry!
The bat ain't showing up. You all right if we ice these guys?
Yeah, what the hell? Let's do this.
He says we can kill him.
Guys, look! I'm on TV! Hi, Ma!
Hey, Vicky, come here, baby. Get a shot of this.
I got this for you! I'm gonna take my time with you!
Supposed to beat them.
Ain't no escape!
Can anyone else out? Oh yeah, this...
Your lunch!
Right on.
Go on! Size me up all you want! You're gonna regret that!
The hostages are safe. I need to hurry to the penthouse and stop the Joker. I've never seen anything like this. These bombs are set to detonate December 31st. I should be able to disarm them with my cryptographic sequencer.
Oh no, you stole my snowman bombs! Oh, you just just couldn't wait till New Year's, huh? Ooh, guess the fireworks are going off early.
Good Lord! I don't believe it! Tell me we're still getting this!
Yeah, we're still live.
This is Vicky Vale reporting live from the Gotham Royal Hotel, where there has just been a massive explosion. And now it appears the Batman has been blown from the building by the blast and is somehow hanging from the bottom of our helicopter. What's this? Several armed men have gathered on a balcony. After years of on and off unconfirmed sightings with no recorded video, we've seen the Bat twice tonight and caught him on film. Could this be the turning of a new leaf for the mysterious vigilante? Is he about to become a public figure? One thing's for sure, after what I've seen him do tonight, he's on his way to becoming a household name. You saw it here tonight, the Batman on live television. This is Vicky Vale signing off.
What is with this guy?
Don't think you got a shot.
Once you kill the Bat, kill the Joker and his men.
He's quicker than he looks.
Look at these güeros fight.
What else can we do?
The clowns made They fight like drunken idiots. All right, brother. The Bat is ours.
I will open you up. Eat my fist.
Not supposed to end like this.
Sir, I've just seen the explosion of the Gotham Royal on the news. The hotel guests, are they safe?
Not now, Alfred.
Sir, are you all right? Your voice...
I'm fine, Alfred. I've dealt with psychopaths before, but this...
Sir, I strongly suggest you call in Captain Gordon. He could be a valuable ally for you.
I don't need any allies.
I see the Joker's men here have been eliminated. Good work. But remember, our primary objective is the Bat. We must remain vigilant.
He will not get past us.
And this is the only way to the penthouse. We can hope you're right, but only time will test your words. The Bat is coming.
I had the perfect level set up for you, and these idiots went ahead and ruined it. Oh, well, look at that. Another one of Bane's boys bites the dust. I'm shocked. Oh, wait, no, I'm not.
I almost shot you. Open your eyes.
That's it. Arm the proximity mines in the gargoyles.
Our ranks are getting thinned out. What happened to you?
Well, look at that. Another one of Bane's boys bites the dust. I'm shocked. Oh, wait, no, I'm not.
on site at the Royal. Anyone have eyes on the bat? 6-4. He's on his way up to the penthouse to meet Psionic. Good. When they come down, we'll be ready for him. Get in position.
Of you to drop in. And just in time.
He's mine, Paraso.
Remember, you gave your word.
You have 1 minute.
Do they even have manners where he comes from? You see, it's a tradition in my house to open 1 present each on Christmas Eve. How about this one? And a partridge in a pear tree.
How many lives did you just take?
None. I think that was just a little stocking stuffer. A construction site blocking my view. But this one isn't.
I've long waited for this moment. With your death, I will find peace.
And now, the moment you've all been waiting for, I present to you the death of the Batman.
By and watch you kill yourself. I'm calling Captain Gordon.
No, not now. Your attention, Batman.
I see there is still some fight left in him. Yeah? Now beat it out of him!
Gordon is on his way, sir. You'll have to hold Bane off until he arrives.
Don't be shy! Jump on him! Now! Was the creature was stirring. Not even a... No blood was stirring, but a few more blows to the head and he won't be anymore.
When I'm coming for you, payaso loco.
Come on, Bane! I got $50 million in wrapping paper waiting over here. Ooh! He hit you so hard it hurt me! Oh, come on, at least make a fight out of it. I want my money's worth. $50 million worth. It was fun while it lasted. He's dead. Can we still put him under the tree? Whoever wants a piece of the bat better get in there. Bang! Finish him off. Like this is it. It was nice knowing you. Actually, no, it wasn't.
Witness my strength! You make it too easy. You cannot run! Accept your end!
Can we focus on the task at hand? He's the guy over there, in all black! Ladies and gentlemen, up next, more fun.
You just ran out of time.
Now this is what I call a party!
This rooftop's getting too hot. You got off easy.
Just where do you think you're going, huh? Oh, back for more, eh? Why would you do that? Newsflash! I'm the one who's trying to kill you! Those were two very, very bad men. Oh, the things they've done. You really don't want to know. They deserved death. Just like me.
Freeze! Don't move, freak!
I think he's talking to you.
Take him down! Now!
Let me guess. He got away. Take him to Blackgate.
Where'd he go? Huh? Who? The Bat. Your partner.
My partner?
Who else would jump off a building to save your sorry ass?
You know, officer. I was wondering the same thing myself.
Welcome to Blackgate. We're gonna do a quick psychiatric evaluation. Bad day, huh? Cops in this city. Always beating on the sick and defenseless.
Tell me something, dear. Have you ever had a really bad day?
And what do you mean by that?
You of all people should know. There's nothing so cruel as memory. The pointy, biting little thunderbolts, unwanted party crashers screaming through your synapses. Inescapable, unrelenting, not at all friendly. You can't even escape into madness. And then you meet someone who changes your life. And you feel that you don't even know who you are anymore. Isn't it funny how one little encounter can cleave off little pieces of your past, deform your memories and persona until you rethink your whole identity? And as you realize how foolish it all is, your laughter reverberates off the walls of your own emptiness.
Okay. I'm gonna need more specifics. How about we try some word association?
That sounds delightful.
Acceptance.
Oh, you don't try it.
Look, I'm only doing this to help. Let's try this again. Acceptance.
My favorite stage.
Okay. One more. And I need you to be serious for this one. Fate.
You want to know something funny? I used to think of fate as evil. Predetermined, not by some higher power, no, but by the rules of human nature. But tonight, it's all changed.
What's changed?
Have you ever had the feeling that your entire life has been one moment?
Is that how you feel?
Well, now, yes. Now I realize that all the battles, the bad days, the brutalities, it was all the hand of fate at work.
So now you see fate differently?
Absolutely. Now I understand there are no chance encounters. It was all meant to be. Everything leading up to who I've met tonight.
So you've met someone special?
Yes. And you might say it's changed everything.
Everything?
Absolutely. I mean, do you realize what wade through all that wretched filth on your own?
It is kind of lonely, isn't it?
Of course. Of course, you understand. Even in a crowd of other screwballs, you're so alone that you can kick, claw, yell, scream at the top of your lungs. It's like you don't even exist. I feel...
And how does that make you feel?
I feel adrift, floating, like someone's pulled the stopper on my reality, and I'm sucked down the drain into something new. It's all very exciting, really. You wouldn't know what that feels like, I'm sure.
I might. Can you tell me more about how this person makes you feel?
It's like meeting someone I can actually relate to. Which, believe me, dear, I've never felt before. You understand. You're someone who's not afraid to let go and fall. Free falling, and I didn't pack a chute. You know what I mean?
Yes. Yes, I do.
I figured you would.
So, may I ask, who is this person?
Oh, someone very, very special. But whose real name I don't even know yet.
My name's Holleen. Holleen Quinzel.
What a pretty name. Do your friends call you Holly?
Oh, I don't have a lot of friends.
Well, Holly, you got one now.
Wade. Why do you do what you do?
Master Bruce, it might be a bit anticlimactic, but I hoped you might finally be ready to celebrate Christmas Eve, now that the Joker's behind bars.
Bane is still out there. I've got to locate the signal from the tracker I placed on him.
Even you must eat, sir.
If you hadn't called the police, he'd already be in custody.
Dispatch, this is Delta 47.
You know, I made a promise of my own to your parents.
No sign of any casualties.
Not now, Alfred.
Story back at the precinct. Place CVAC. Found bombs under the foundation. Some kind of hopped-up freak. Must have been 400 pounds of muscle. Took 6 cops to gun that bastard down. Yeah, I saw the body in the morgue. Couldn't believe it.
Sounds like this could be Bane or one of his men. If I hurry to the GCPD morgue, I can inspect the body and the autopsy report.
Well, before you leave, I've run some tests on the compound you found at the steel mill. Looks like a match for your globular projectile for non-lethal restraint.
You mean the glue grenade?
Indeed. The resin has finished curing. It's at your workbench. Of course, I'd recommend testing it here in the lab before you go, but I'm sure you won't listen to me. You never do. So I take it you won't be testing it, then?
It's called field testing, Alfred.
Master Bruce. Stop! Master Bruce. Bruce, I will not in good conscience allow you to go. You're outmatched by these assassins.
What?
You're not some hardened vigilante. You're a young man with a trust fund and too much anger. You're in over your head, and I don't want this to be your end.
Alfred, who do you see when you look at me? The boy whose shoes you used to tie every morning? The teenager you drove to his first date? While you are here every night, I am out there. The only thing between the innocent and the predator. No, not may be. I am. When the mugger or the thief stops to think twice, that is fear. That is what I am. That is why they hired assassins, because I am the reason the criminals breathe easier when the sun rises. So no, Alfred, I am not in over my head. Tonight will not be my end, but it will be theirs.
I trust you realize you can't just waltz into the GCPD after everything that's happened there tonight.
I know I can't do that. I'll have to find a way in that'll avoid detection.
Indeed. Look, I'm sorry about what I said before you left. I hope you understand. It's just because...
It's okay. I understand.
Alright guys, well I hope you guys enjoyed this episode of little to no commentary Batman Arkham Origins. If you did, please make sure to sub and like, and as always, I hope you guys have a God bless day. Love y'all. Peace.